Hey everyone, so welcome. It's finally come. It's actually finally come. My MacBook 16. We ordered it a couple of weeks ago. Obviously, with the coronavirus going on, there was a slight delay, but it's actually come, and we're really excited. So before I start, I should just say that the reason I got this was because obviously being a filmmaker, we need to be able to film on location, and it just means it would help us speed up our workflow. It would really help us knock out projects faster. It just means we can be more creative, better. And I have got a Mac, an iMac, but the problem with the iMac is, of course, it's stationary. We can't take it out and about, and for a filmmaker, it's really important to be able to have a look at your footage when you're on the go, especially if you're doing documentary. We've got potentially a documentary coming up, so it just means that we can have a look at footage, kind of figure out what we need, and just be able to be creative on the go. So this is why I went for the MacBook 16. First of all, it is quite pricey. It came in at about £2,700, so it's very expensive, of course, but I have my old Mac now, and what I tend to do is future-proof it, so I try to go for more expensive models, because the last one cost me quite a bit. It cost me about $2,500 or something, but I have had it for 5 years. It's just battering whenever I'm thrown at it. And so with this model, I got the 16-inch, obviously the bigger screen, helps filmmaking. For me, I think it was better, but you could, like I said, easily go for the smaller screen, and that would save you a bit of money. I upgraded the graphics cards just because, obviously, for filmmaking, I thought that would be beneficial. I'm not planning to store anything on the computer. I store on portable hard drives, because I'm switching between computers and stuff. So for me, I didn't think it was worth putting any more money in anything else apart from the graphics card. So it's come. It's deceptively heavy. I like it. I like it a lot. So right, I've had this for days, by the way, but I've needed time to set up this room, so I've not been able to actually use it. So it's been really hard to let it sit there, not using it. But here we go. Ooh, that's a nice solid box, actually. It's really, move that out of the way. Ooh, it's nice. Nice smell. So it's big. Oh, nice. Ooh, that's not plastic. That feels like almost papery. Okay, cool. Oh, it's a nice. As I say, it's got a bit of weight to it. The one thing I did have to do, obviously these are USB-Cs, so I've had to get an adapter, because obviously my hard drive and other things, I'm probably not going to fit. Well, they won't fit it. Okay, so quite a long cable, actually. Oh, that's quite cool. That's going to be handy, actually. Great. So we've got the plugs. Okay, cool. We'll have to figure out how that works. How does that work? Okay, we'll figure out how that works. That's quite a beastly power pack, actually. Oh, that's... What's this do? Okay, cool. Right, so that goes in there. That plugs in here. Cool. So it's got the warranty. It's got all the fun things here. MacBook Pro. The stickers. What, does anyone ever use these? If anyone wants these, send me a message and I'll post it out to you. Like, I don't think I've ever used these. So yeah, it's heavy. It's heavier than I thought, actually. Oh, it's nice and shiny. So if you can see that, the actual Apple logo is really quite cool, actually. That's lovely. Let's open it up. Ooh. I'll open it for you to see. Obviously, I'm going to get to see it a lot. It's quite cool. Ooh, nice. Oh wow, look at that, it's loading up already. I didn't have to do anything, it's going. Cool. So I went for the space grey. Yeah, it just looked better on the online, if I'm being completely honest. But okay then, so I'm going to go and set this up, and what I'll probably do actually is maybe in a couple of months' time, maybe do a little video at some point, just let people know how I got on with it, pros and cons, good and bad things. But hope you liked it. I would definitely recommend people getting one if you're in a position to do it. So enjoy, like, share, yeah, comment. Great buys, something I've been really excited for, and I'm really glad we got it now, and I'm just keen to get on and shoot some projects. So cheers.